Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to check your archived chats on Telegram, whether you're on mobile or desktop. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to find those hidden conversations that you tucked away, even if you haven't thought about them in ages. If you've ever wondered where your old chats disappeared after archiving, or you just want to revisit a conversation from last year, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight in and start with mobile. This works for both iOS and Android. First things first, open up the Telegram app. Make sure you're logged in and looking at your main chats list. This is the home screen where all of your conversations usually show up. Now, here's something that trips up a lot of people. The archive chats folder can sometimes be a little shy. It's not always front and center at the top, but don't worry, it's definitely there. If you don't see the archive chats folder right away, simply swipe down on your chat list with your finger. Think of it a bit like opening a secret drawer in your messaging app. It's not obvious, but a gentle swipe reveals it. As you swipe down, the archive chats bar should slide into view at the very top. Pause for a second. If your chat list is especially long, you might need to swipe a little more purposefully. If it doesn't show up on your first try, don't worry, just give it a slower swipe and let it settle for a moment. Once you see that archive chats bar, go ahead and tap right on it. This opens up the folder and shows you all of your archived conversations. It's similar to reopening a file cabinet that you closed last month. All your old chats are stored safely inside. You can scroll through and find exactly what you're looking for. Remember, archived chats aren't deleted, they're just tucked away out of sight. So if you're looking to revisit an old group, a past work message, or just a friendly chat you didn't want cluttering your main screen, now's the time to check in. Alright, now let's move to Telegram on desktop. Whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or even Linux, fire up the Telegram desktop application and you'll be greeted by your chat list on the left. In most cases, the archived chats folder is sitting right at the top of your chat list, easy to spot. But sometimes it might appear collapsed, kind of like a closed folder with just the label archived chats showing and no chat previews underneath. If that's the case, simply click on the archived chats bar once. That expands the folder, revealing your archived chats just like on mobile. Think of it as unfolding a stack of letters. You suddenly see everything tucked inside. If you ever want to clear up your chat list, you can collapse the archive again by clicking on the bar, or you can right-click for a few extra options. For example, you'll see options to collapse it or even move it to the main menu, which is handy if you use archives often and want even quicker access. Remember, archive chats on Telegram are a great way to keep your main conversation area tidy without losing anything important. If you ever worry that a message has disappeared, just check the archive before you panic. There's a very good chance it's right there. If this tutorial helped you find those long-lost chats, or if you discovered any new tricks along the way, be sure to hit that like button. And drop any questions you have in the comments. I read all of them and I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss more straightforward tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.